Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see of the cars while I'm here. What's going on, everybody? Michael here with Audi Augusta. Today I'm going to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to use Audi's MMI screen from the steering wheel. And with that, let's get this one started. Alrighty, so looking at your screen, you've got 4 different menus. This is an electric vehicle, but it's not going to make a difference. The layouts are all the same. So that was your navigation. This one is all your driving data, all your driver assistance features, trip range, fuel range, or energy range in this case, battery range, your radio or media, and then your phone menu. So starting with the navigation, and then you zoom out. So look at your steering wheel. The view button here on the left, that button you can use to change the layout of the display. So when you push that, in this case, it's going to minimize the dials. Depending what display you have will depend on what the view button is going to do. But when you have the map in this mode, you can use the left wheel there on the steering wheel to zoom in and out. So depending on what perspective you want while you're driving, that's what that is for. When you're in the map, you've got these 2 buttons on either side of that wheel. The left one brings up a sub-menu, and then the wheel also acts as a mouse. So your favorites, once you've got those, you can choose from that menu. You can choose from map orientation, automatic zoom, so on and so forth. I'm just reading. Then when you go to driving data, same thing. These buttons act as sub-menus. So you can set lap times, not sure why that's in here. Reduce your display. These are your options when you are in your driving data menu. Go over to radio. Once you've got your favorite set up, it makes it easier to do everything off the steering wheel. Obviously, you have to set those up yourself, but pretty simple. And then same thing with your phone. So I don't have a phone connected, but your phone would allow you to make phone calls from your favorites or see your previous call list and things of that nature. But that is a pretty simple overview. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have a customizable button where you can change the settings to whatever customized or whatever setting you like. Phone menu, voice control there next to that one, and then this is another wheel for the volume control, as well as you can push it to mute and unmute the stereo, and then skip tracks on the left and right side. Anyway, pretty simple. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I will see you guys for the next one. Thanks.